Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make Maltese Canele in Heartopia game Maltese event update. Okay, first of all guys, you need to unlock the recipe from the exchange store. You can go to the Puppy Gacha machine and go to exchange store, and you will be able to buy the recipe here. This is the food recipe for Maltese Canele. Okay, and if I'm not mistaken, it cost 10 Maltese tokens. You need to have Maltese token to buy this recipe. And then you're going to go to your stove and start cooking. And this is the recipe. And you'll need these ingredients: egg, milk, and wheat, and also strawberry. And I'm going to kind of start cooking. Okay, hold on guys. Okay, I've just unlocked the Maltese Canele recipe. Oh, it's cute. Okay guys, and that's how we can make the Maltese Canele and Heartopia game Maltese event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.